Hello everyone, my name is Warren Wise. I teach science at Kelly Mill Med Pro Middle School in Richland School District 2, right here in South Carolina. Today, we have an opportunity to conduct a STEM activity related to the video that you just viewed, Hero Elementary. For years, PBS and SCETV have created outstanding high-quality videos that last a lifetime. As a matter of fact, I grew up on them myself. And today, we get to take our videos to the next level. Remember this character, Benny Bubbles? Today, we get to conduct a STEM activity related to the powers that he possesses, which is creating bubbles. Let's get started.
In this project, you're going to need a rubber band, a washcloth, dishwashing detergent, a bowl of water, an empty water bottle, and what's not pictured is a pair of scissors, a measuring spoon, and just a regular spoon also. To start off, we want to cut the bottom of our empty water bottle with a pair of scissors. Next, we want to get rid of the actual bottom part of that because we don't need it anymore. Once we do that, let's go ahead and mix our dishwashing detergent by using the measuring spoon or a regular spoon would suffice, and mix it with our bowl of water. It's okay if you want to add a little extra also. Stir it up and make sure that all of the dishwashing liquid is dissolved into the water. Next, we're going to use our washcloth and cover the bottom part of the water bottle that we just cut off and secure it with the rubber band. Once it's secured, we're going to dip the bottom part into our soapy solution. I like to dip it, more than once. Then we're going to blow into the other end and look what happens. With this project, try testing out with different forms of cloth to see what type of bubbles you can create. With this project, you're going to need the following items: wax paper, bowl of water, some tape, a ruler, one straw, dish detergent, and small toys, preferably a round toy. First, we're going to cut a sheet of wax paper to your desired size. Then we're going to use tape to actually secure the paper down onto your table. I like to cut 4 small pieces and put them on the corners of your wax paper to secure it down. Next, you will mix in the dishwashing detergent with your bowl of water. It's okay if you want to get a little extra in there also. You're going to place some of the actual soapy solution onto your wax paper. Next, you would get your straw and actually stir it around. And what I like to do is to add extra water onto the wax paper by using my finger. Then try to see if you can blow a bubble onto your wax paper. It takes a little practice at first, but you want to see how large of a bubble you can create by popping it and see the different rings that it creates right there onto your wax paper. Some will be small, some will be large. Measure it out with different types of solutions of dish detergent. Next, you can use a toy, a small toy preferably. A round one is best. We're going to see if we can place the toy inside of the bubble. One of the best ways to do it is to make sure that your toy is wet and your fingers are also wet so that it can be placed in the bubble. If not, it's going to pop. Then try another toy, different type of size, different type of shape. It's up to you.
That concludes today's activity. Stay tuned to SCETV and watch out for your next episode of Hero Elementary. And let's see how STEM can make a hero out of you. See you next time.